Hey Glim Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalu. In today's video, we're going to be setting up a beautiful table landscape with a dash of spring and summer, but most importantly, it is going to be a timeless table landscape and it can be used for any occasion or holiday. Today's video is in collaboration with Trina from Decorating Made Easy with Trina. She is a great designer here on YouTube. She has so many beautiful content. Her home is really beautiful. She's also going to be uploading a table landscape. Please go check her out as soon as you're done finish watching my video. Let her know that I sent you and make sure you hit the subscribe button for her. Are you ready? Let's get started with the table landscape. Let me tell you guys, I bought this beautiful pink Warner from Amazon that I was gonna use on the table landscape. I really like it, but I felt like I used too much pink on my home decor lately, so I've decided to not use it anymore. I look at my Warners, I was not feeling them for this particular decor. So guess what, you guys? I've decided to use 2 curtains for my Warner. Yes, you guys, that's right. You heard it right. I am using 2 curtains. I love to repurpose my things. I love to not be so conventional. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna overlapping the 2 curtains together, and then I'm gonna create some plates to make it a beautiful design. By the way, I will leave the link for the other Warner in the description box, just in case if you are interested. These are the placemats that I'm going to use. They are from Amazon. I really like them. I love the shape and they are super affordable. I'm not going to be using a charger. I'm going to be using these white plates. They are super big. That's the reason I'm not using a charger. Usually they cover up completely the charger. The next set of plates that I'm going to be using are these ones. I love the design on both of them. The rest of the decor items that I'm going to be using on the table are from Home Goods, except for the flowers, napkins, and the utensils. To all of my new friends, welcome to the Glam Squad family. One more time, my name is Dalu. In this channel, we are all about beautiful, glam, and happy home. If you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to all of my returning Glam Squad, yeah, I know I love you. Thank you so much. You guys are fabulous. Please check me out on Instagram and on Facebook at Glam Style with Dalu, and don't forget TikTok either. These bowls are truly fabulous. I really love them. On the camera, they look like black, but actually they are a blue, navy blue. On the end chairs, I'm going to be doing things a little bit different. I'm going to be using this beautiful placemat, also from Amazon. I love the shape, the flower shape. And then I'm going to be using these beautiful plate chargers. I love the pearl look of them. I'm keeping the dinner plates, but I'm changing the appetizer plates and the bowl. These are the utensils, super cute. They are from Amazon. Total of 5 pieces per setting.
See this as a lesson, then maybe we should open up the sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here?
The napkin that I'm using is from Hobby Lobby. It's a Christmas napkin, but I'm not going to be showing the side that showed the Christmas design. I'm going to use the other side. Guys, you got to repurpose your thing. You do not have to buy new things each time you're doing a new decor. However, if it was for guests, I wouldn't do that. I wanted to have something else that was blue on the table to go with the bowls, so I'm gonna be using these fabulous glasses. They are from Home Goods. This is the glass that is going to be on the end chairs. They are from Home Goods. Similar design with the bowl and the appetizer plates. On the centerpieces, the vases are from Home Goods. And the flowers, a combination of flowers from Michaels and Hobby Lobby. The pink tulips are from Amazon. This is my Holy Grail candle pillar from Home Goods. And the candles, Hobby Lobby. This is the final look. Y'all know how I do it. I'm gonna be showing it to you in different angles. Okay, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed the table escape. A big thank you to Trina for collaborating with me today. It was such a pleasure collaborating with her. Guys, please go show her some love. The link for her channel will be in the description box. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for her, and of course, you know you gotta hit the subscribe button for your girl as well. And put a comment below, let me know what you think about my table escape. I thank you for spending your time with me today. I will see you on the next video. I love you always. Bye bye.